Now let's look at in Linux. And as far as networking is concerned, if you want to check if your computer has connectivity with Google, you can do that using the ping command. And for you to test that connectivity, you enter or you use the command ping, and then you give the host name and you specify the IP address. So a simple example for this would be ping. You can just give ping google.com, and this will check if your current resources have access to Google. Or maybe you have a VPC set up and you want to test if there's connectivity between the instances. You can do that using ping 10.0.0.0, assuming that you are within a VPC network. So that is how you can test connectivity between network interfaces or between given network resources. So let's go to our terminal and check how to test connectivity using the ping command. So for us to test connectivity with the ping command, you have a given IP, say Google. You do that using the ping, and then you give the name of the service, google.com. And once you do google.com, it's going to be giving you these lines of command, meaning that you have connectivity between your server and a given IP address. So to stop this, you press Ctrl C and you stop this. So it says ping statistics: 14 packets transmitted and 14 packets received, 0 packet loss. It means that you have connectivity between your computer and the Google server. Let's take another example: random IP address, which we are not sure if it's working. So let's do ping 10.0.0.20. Now if you do the ping 10.0.0.20, it gives you this. Probably there is no connectivity between your computer and any IP address 10.0.0.0.20. So in this case, you see that there is no connectivity and there will be no results being displayed. If you press Ctrl C, you now tell you that 26 packets transmitted, 0 packet received, 100% packet loss, because there is no connectivity between this instance and any server with the IP address 10.0.0.20. So that is how you can use to test connectivity between resources with the Linux operating system. Now, once you're done with all these tests, to stop your resources from being built, you come to your console, you close this terminal, and then you want to reset this here. You reset it to your regular. You select the EC2 Linux instance that we're doing all our tests with. You come to instance state, and then you terminate the instance. So this way you can be able to save on cost. So you terminate the instance and you click terminate, and that will give you successfully terminated instance, to give you the instance ID. And that should be it for our Linux module.